Saga continues, and this time round, Satyam's board members, a day after one of them actually resigned, are now being targeted by politicians. That too because some of the high-profile members of the board of directors of Satyam are on selection committees of crucial government postings like the RBI governor or in terms of the high-profile bureaucrats. But it seems that Ram Mohan Rao is now a target of the left parties who want him to resign.
The woes of Satyam Computer Services are unending as more and more bad news hit the company. And this letter has given a new twist to the story. Rajya Sabha MP Abani Roy has written to the Prime Minister demanding that Ram Mohan Rao, the celebrated dean at the reputed Indian School of Business, be dropped from the government committees because Rao had shown an irresponsible role of conduct in his capacity as an independent director on the board of Satyam Computers in the company's aborted attempt to acquire two Matus companies.
He is a very influential man in the government of India also. And though we like it or not, taking money from World Bank or thing, but the government is taking money from World Bank. And he is in many vital posts or with many organizations of the government. So when he became the controversial thing, so I requested the Prime Minister not to keep him in such vital post.
It has been a terrible week for Satyam. NDTV accessed the details of unlisted Matus properties and found it had huge debt on its books and its net worth was only 21 crore rupees. Then World Bank said it had banned Satyam from contracts for 8 years after a bribery scandal. It also rejected Satyam's demand for an apology and stuck to its earlier statement. And then Mangalam Srinivasan, an independent director who's been on Satyam's board for 17 years, put in her papers. The turn of events have put pressure on the management just ahead of the board meeting scheduled for Monday next week, where members will consider a buyback of shares. With institutional investors turning the heat on management, the tussle between investors and management is sure to intensify. With Devdatta Das in New Delhi, Ashu Sinha, NDTV.